To download the Studio 2.0 software, you have to visit the address bricklink.com, and then you have to move your mouse pointer on Studio option here and then click on download. And after that you will get the option to download the Studio 2.0 software. So based on your system, if it is a Mac or Windows, you can click on the option and download the software, and then you can follow these steps to install the software. After installing, the software will look like this. So now let me give you some brief idea what all things we have in this software. So the building plate, what you are seeing in the center of the screen, is the place where you are going to build the model. And on the left hand side we have the bricks palette, where currently it is selected as master. So in the master bricks palette you will get all the Lego bricks available in Lego, and these are categorized based on shapes and BL categories. So BL means Bricklink categories, and you can also search using this search bar by the name of the piece or the number of each part in Lego. And then we have on the top, all these are the building tools like select tool. In select also we have different types of tools like by color, by type and color, etc. Then we have hinge tool, clone tool, height tool, connect tool. Then we have collision option, snap, grid, render, stability, and then we have instruction, which we are going to use to create our building instructions of the model. And on the right hand side we have the color palette. So using these options you can change the color of the brick. So we will see each one of these tools in detail in coming video. So that's all for the introduction of Studio 2.0 software.